In this video, I'm going to show you how to format Samsung A series devices easily. There is a caution for you. If you format your device, so you might know about that thing that all the data that you have stored on the device or all the data that are already associated with all the applications and all the media on your device are available will be erased totally from your device. Your device will be full fresh as new. So make sure that you are aware about that caution, and then let's see how you can just format your device. So you can just scroll down all the way, then when you found the general management, tap on it, and from here at the bottom you'll find this reset option. Tap on it. From here you'll find this factor data reset. If you tap on it, and then you will find some caution. From here you can find all the accounts here, you can recover that personal accounts. Then from here you can find all the things, all the data or media that will be deleted if you just factor data reset your device. It is actually the formatting device, your device. So if you tap on reset, it will ask for the confirmation with your passcode. Then if you just enter your passcode, it may ask for to create a backup of your data, all of your data that you have on your device. You can create the backup on your Google Drive or on the Samsung Cloud. So you can choose one of them, and you can wait until the backup process is completed, and then you can find the backup of your data that you can use for further on another devices. So then it will ask you for the confirmation. If you confirm the data factor data reset, then your phone will be totally formatted. So that's how you can just format your device, your Samsung A series devices easily. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.